man.
Open it. What is it?
Oh, he loves it.
What is it? Look.
I like this toy. What's inside? What do you have?
Where are you going?
He doesn't even know.
Grandma, Grandpa, help me out.
Let's see. What's inside? Look, look. Should we take it apart?
What's that?
What's that? Oh my goodness.
Smile at you.
Oh my goodness.
Get it.
Honestly.
See, look it.
What's that?
I got that for Mom.
You
Oh,
did.
Grab it.
Kind of pushing.
He's just poking at it.
Beep, 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 beep.
Alright.
Choo-choo.
Go, Daddy.
Wow, look at little thing on
What is
top.
it, dude?
Wow. Chicka chicka choo choo. Chicka chicka choo choo. You want your happy basket? Yeah. Put it back inside. Let's get the paper out. Put inside?
Where's the caboose?
Yeah, there you go.
Let's see if he'll open it first, babe.
Alright.
That's a nice gift, Tyler. Good choice.